Hello everyone, this is Sheshe, and today we are continuing with the Peacock Paisley card kit. This is the beautiful card we're making today. I am thinking about changing the colors of the owls. Just don't like the colors. They're not peacocks. And I think I'm going to change them to like a brownish gray, something like that. So I'm going to get started, and these are the 3 flowers that we're using, and then there's like this branch that you need to cut up. The sentiment you'll cut off. There's the cage, the owls, and this beautiful frame that I love. Okay, and then the card base. There is something you have to do that's a little bit strange, it says in the instructions, and I don't know, I guess I could slow down the video when I get to this part, but we'll see. It says to glue the owls to the cage and then glue it like somewhat on this frame, and it's like hanging off the edge. So I don't see how that's really sturdy. I can just see people opening and closing the card. This will just fall off. So there's nothing really supporting this little piece. It's just hanging off like that. So in my opinion, it should have included like some acetate or something. I mean, with this little tiny corner just holding on to the frame like that, I could just see this falling off. It's just not enough. Maybe, I don't know if this little part right here is supposed to be on there. I'm looking at the picture, and from what I can tell, it's just this little tiny piece right here holding on for dear life, and there's nothing at the top supporting the top part of the cage. So very interesting design. I just don't understand this one right here. It's pretty, but I just didn't really understand it when I read the instructions about this card in particular. When I looked at it, I thought the cage was inside the card. But you do what you like. I'm going to get started. Enjoy the video. Okay, here's the finished card. It turned out so beautiful. I just love all that sparkle and shine. I did make some changes. I changed the color of the owls and just the colors in general. So I hope you love my card. I did add some acetate for the window. I just felt for this being an open card, this right here would just fall out of the card with it opening and closing. And even though the design of the card has like some of the flowers attaching to the bird cage and this part right here being attached, and then I kind of figured out based on the picture that this little edge right here was attached to the sentiment. I didn't feel it was enough to keep this bird cage from falling out. It just wasn't enough in my opinion. So I felt the acetate would keep it inside this frame and it would be more sturdy. Just my opinion. And I just think mine looked a lot better. And I'll show you the original card again in the picture. This is how it looked originally. And I just like mine better. I actually love mine a whole lot better. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. And if you have this kit, you will consider changing or making changes of your own. So take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.